Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. We're going to continue our look at the 2002 Grade 8 level Gauss, not the Grade 7 level Gauss, the Grade 8 level Gauss. And we're on question number 5, which says, which of the following expressions is equal to an odd integer? So we have a bunch of expressions, 3 times 5 plus 1, 3 plus 5 plus 1, 3 plus 5 over 2, a whole bunch of expressions. We need to find which one is equal to an odd integer. Okay. Now, if you've done a lot of math, you'll notice certain patterns. For example, if you have an odd number times an odd number, you'll get an odd number out. If you have an even number times an odd number, you'll get an even number out. And so if you know those sorts of things, we're going to go through the question very quickly, and then we're going to go through it by doing it the very simple, let's just calculate each possible answer and see which one's odd. Okay? So just taking a look at the question as is, well, 3 times 5, that's an odd number because they're both odd. And if we add 1 to an odd plus odd is even, so A is definitely not the answer. 2 times, I don't care what, because 2 times something makes it an even times whatever, so that's going to be an even number. So we have an odd times, well, what's 3 plus 5? That's 8. 8's an even number, so even times anything is also going to be even. Here we have an odd plus an odd, so that's 8, that's even, plus another odd. Well, even plus odd is odd, so D should be our answer. And the last one, 3 plus 5 is 8, divided by 2 is 4. So that's also going to be an even number. But let's actually work these out. You can grab your calculator if need be, but we'll calculate each one and determine what the numbers actually are. But you can go through this question much quicker if you are familiar with how odds and evens affect addition and multiplication. So this is 15 plus 1, that's equal to 16, and that is definitely an even number. And we're looking for an odd number. Okay. 2 times 3 plus 5, well, we do what's in brackets first. So that's going to be 2 times 8. Well, that's also 16, and we already said 16 is an even number. All right, C, that was 3 times 3 plus 5. Well, we already said 3 plus 5 is 8, and we do what's in brackets first. It's order of operations. What's 3 times 8? 24. And that is definitely another even number. Now, I already suspected D was our answer, but let's just verify that. 3 plus 5 plus 1. Well, what's 3 plus 5? We go from left to right, so that's going to be 8 plus 1. And 8 plus 1 is 9. And that's the odd number we've been searching for. So we could just stop right there. But I'm going to make sure we got the right answer by ruling out E as well. So when we do a fraction, we want to simplify the numerator before we do the division. 3 plus 5 is 8. We've remarked that a couple times now. 8 divided by 2 is just 4, and wouldn't you know, that's another even number. So our answer is going to be D. D is the only one that evaluates to an odd integer, and that's what we were asked for. Okay? So in the next video, we're going to take a look at question number 6, and hopefully you'll join me for that one. I'll see you guys then.